Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sukirti. Today I'm here to present with this eye-opening video for all my dental professional colleagues, associates and all other dentists about this intraoral camera thing. So yesterday only I have purchased this Waldent's intraoral camera screen with the camera handpiece with 10 megapixel, and the screen is like 18, almost 18 inches. Okay, this is from the house of Waldent. So the moment I approached the people of India from Waldent, who are actually the dealers and the employees of Waldent, there's a person called Rahul. He has told me roughly about 21 to 22,000 for this thing. But from Medica Bazaar, and with person whose name is Mr. Sudeep Guha, who is a freelancer, they have procured me in 19,130 rupees only. So beware of the Waldent people of India themselves, who claim to be one. They themselves are selling this in a higher price, whom we expect ki we will get in a lesser price. That's not the case. Okay, so check for all the areas, all the places, and then only you go for this, because rates are being titrated by they themselves only. So that should not happen. You should get things in a very genuine and appropriate rate, with very less margins or whatever it is, but not in an exceeding price. So that should not happen. So if you want to procure your intraoral camera, you can contact people like Sudeep Guha, who happens to be a freelancer dental supplier, and is a very genial guy, and he is very what to say, very he gives things in a very apt and a correct price. And the people from the Waldent staff itself from India, they themselves are when selling this in a higher price. That is never expected. Okay, so keep your eyes, ears, head open. Okay, think and investigate before you invest. And I have purchased it in one shot only, but one must see, if I can spend 19,130, I can definitely spend 22,000 or 23,000 or 21,000, whatever it is. But the fact of the matter is, if I am getting it in a lesser price, why not? Why should I even give a single penny more? Okay, so thank you so much, all of you. This is Dr. Sukirti signing off from India. This video was absolutely for dental professionals, and be very careful. And my number and my details are always there in my page, so you can go through anytime, you can connect to me anytime, and you can have words with me on this note. And thank you so much. Bye bye. This is Dr. Sukirti signing off.